Hey guys, it's Dr. Mazur here at Chiropractic and Sports Medicine, and today we're going to talk about the rotator cuff, how it can cause your shoulder pain, and ways you can help fix it at home. Stick around. Okay, so the shoulder is a very complex joint, so let me simplify it for you. Pretend that this is the very shallow socket of your shoulder joint, and this is the ball of your humerus. So what needs to happen is when you're moving your upper extremity, that rotator cuff needs to perfectly center this ball of the humerus. One thing I didn't tell you is there's a roof above this ball and socket joint. So when that rotator cuff is not doing its job, that ball keeps rising and jams up into that roof, and what's in between there is that rotator cuff, and over time this can cause wear and tear. Okay, so the first cause of rotator cuff injuries you can't see, and that's when that ball rides up into that roof and impinges on that rotator cuff. The next two causes you can totally see. All you need is a mirror. So if your head is out in front of your ball and socket joint, that's going to set this rotator cuff up for injury. The second is if you have a handheld mirror and you're looking at your left shoulder blade with a mirror behind you, you're looking at that left shoulder blade with yourself relaxed, and you see winging or flaring of that scapula on that rib cage. That may mean that you don't have that great a control of that scapula, which can cause wear and tear to that rotator cuff. So if you're still having shoulder pain, give these two exercises a try. We'll provide the links below, but really pay attention to the details in these videos. The first is shoulder squeezes. It'll help with posture and scapular control. And the next is rotator cuff internal and external rotation exercises, and it'll ensure that your rotator cuff is strong and that you got good core stability. If these exercises aren't doing the trick, well then go ahead and give us a call. We see this stuff all the time here at the office. This has been Dr. Mazur here at Chiropractic, where we can get you better faster.